Hello everyone, welcome back to Tour with Shailesh for another road trip. Today I would be traveling from Kochi to Kumarakom. This is about an hour and a half long journey, and there are two route options which we have towards Kumarakom from Kochi. One is through the national highway and the other one is through the internal roads, which is more scenic. And I will take you through the scenic route and also explain to you the historic significance of these places. So hang in there and look forward to this lovely journey. Town of Thripunithura. We'll explore that someday later. As far as the sightseeing perspective go, there's a beautiful hill palace out here which you can visit. It's a half a day tour. Apart from that, there are some amazing churches. There is Thripunithura temple, and the market is also quite an interesting place to walk through. So if you are coming towards Thripunithura, these are the highlights you should be looking into. One side. So here I am at Poothotta, picking up a toll. This is one of the few places where you still have those grand old toll booths, and I had to pay 2 rupees to get across. The return is rupees 3. So we have crossed over from Ernakulam into Kottayam district, and we are heading on to Vaikam now. Poothotta is the border between Ernakulam and Kottayam, and this is where the backwaters start, the beauty of the backwaters start, and you have these small canals which is really amazing to see. Right after Poothotta is the town of Vaikam, which is popular for the backwater cruises, the small canal cruises, and then after Vaikam is Kumarakom, the famous village known for responsible tourism, beautiful resorts, and the houseboats. So that's where our journey is going to end. Now we have reached Vaikam. Vaikam is popular for its Shiva temple. This is the point from where the route deviates to Kottayam and Pala and to Shabarimala, and also towards Kumarakom. So we would be getting off the state highway and getting into the inner roads to move towards Kumarakom. The temple out here, the Shiva temple, is a prominent one and is known across the world. It is a favorite stop for the pilgrims who are traveling towards Shabarimala. Vaikam too has its share of small resorts and homestays and is turning out to be a tourist destination on its own. There are interesting activities happening in this area, including responsible tourism initiatives. We are entering Kumarakom, the famous backwater village which has earned a name in the history books and the tourism map of the world for the responsible tourism initiatives which has been happening here. The village life experience tour, which is conducted here, is one of the most prominent excursion tours taken by the tourists here on the backwaters. If you are in Kerala and wanting to experience the real Kerala, Kumarakom is one place which you can explore. As you can see, the life around Kumarakom is along the road we are driving on either side of the road. This is the hut line of Kumarakom. and the resorts start from this place onwards, and it stretches for about 10 kilometers further down on the main road, as well as on the coastal or on the backwaters side. All the resorts are lined up next to each other. It's a huge stretch of resorts, right from homestays to 5-star luxury properties, which gives you a place to relax, unwind, and experience Ayurveda and, of course, divinity. So if you're planning to be in Kerala, do spend at least a night over here to experience the real taste of Kerala, the backwaters of Kerala. You can also experience toddy, which is a local brew which is made out of coconut, along with some amazing seafood which is found on this part of the backwaters. Curry bean is the most famous of all the seafoods here. In English it's known as pearl spot. Nicely cooked in different forms. You have fried, you have olat, you have curry, you name it, you have all kinds of preparations, and something which you must try. And of course the tender coconuts in plenty. Kumarakom is famous for the Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary, a place where you get to see different kinds of birds. A tip for you would be to visit the sanctuary in the morning or the evening, because that's the time when you get to see the maximum number of birds out here. And of course, the best time to come here is between October to March. That's the time when the weather is pleasant and you get to enjoy the best of everything in Kumarakom. So we have arrived at, when you're coming to Kumarakom, you have to be prepared and aware of the fact this is a tropical climate out here. It's going to be humid when you're here, so do consider carrying a cap or an umbrella to cover yourself if it's sunny, or if it's raining, an umbrella of course, or a rain gear which you'd like to have, along with some sun lotion or mosquito repellents, as we are in the thick of vegetation and you can expect our dear friends to be around. So here I am at Kumarakom, and the final destination where we had to reach. As you can see right behind me is the route towards where most of the resorts are located, and that's where people stay up for overnight. This is the point from where I break off. The journey to Kumarakom is over, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel Tour with Shailesh for more road trips, events, reviews and much more. So catch you for the next vlog at the next location.